Hi everybody, Andrew Sharon, attorney at law here. I'm a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents, passengers, pedestrians, bicyclists, and drivers. And today I want to talk to you about arbitration hearings. What's an arbitration hearing and how may it affect your personal injury case? So in Seattle right now, a lot of courts are backed up, and so one of the main tools that we can use to expedite cases a little bit quicker is arbitration hearings. And so in Seattle, there are mandatory arbitration hearings for cases that are valued in less than $50,000, and that number is supposed to go up to like $75,000 soon, but it's not there yet. So if you're taking a case to trial, you file a lawsuit, and your case is within that range, you're going to have to probably go to an arbitration hearing before you could even possibly go to a trial. So you could still go to a trial, but most likely you're going to go to an arbitration hearing, or it will settle before that. So an arbitration hearing is also built into your policies in a lot of cases. So a lot of insurance policies, if you have an UIM case or an underinsured motorist case or uninsured motorist case, and you have that policy, a lot of times your insurance company has this built-in arbitration hearing clause that says that you must arbitrate this case first. And sometimes you have to follow that, sometimes you don't. Um, but so what an arbitration hearing is, it's like a mini trial. It's a little bit more expedited, and it happens um, a little bit less formal than a trial occurs too. Usually, arbitration hearings done by either an ex-judge or another lawyer who practiced in that area of law. So if it's a car accident injury lawyer, or it's a car accident injury case, you're more likely to have a car accident injury lawyer on one side or the other. Maybe they're a former defense attorney or they were a plaintiff's attorney, and they're the judge on the case. And sometimes you have to have three judges on the arbitration panel, and a majority wins in those cases. So how it works is it works pretty similar to a trial, but it's in either the arbitrator's office in a conference room type big office area, or it's in another area of that both parties agree to. And the arbitration usually lasts not very long. Usually it lasts a day or two, and it's pretty quick. The rules are a little bit more lax than at trial, and there's less processes that go on in arbitration versus a trial, and it's a lot quicker. So these cases are not bad cases if it goes to arbitration hearing. Sometimes it's even better, just because it's quicker. You don't have to wait 9 months for a trial date. Usually these happen. You can get an arbitration hearing within a month or two of whenever you file it, and it's just a whole lot better process than going through the court system right now. So if you are injured in a car accident, you may have the opportunity to take your case to an arbitration hearing and expedite the settlement or the conclusion of your case a lot quicker that way versus trial. So these are good options. Even though it may not be trial, you still could get a very good award in these situations. So if you've been in a car accident, give me a call. I give free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716, and you can find more information online at www.lawsharing.com.